When you're beginning your acoustic guitar journey, it's super fun because you learn these chord shapes, and then pretty soon you learn how to transition from one chord to another, and the next step is learning how to strum. Which is why in this lesson, I'm going to share with you the golden rule of strumming. This lesson is so important because it will provide the foundation for you, regardless of how fancy or non-fancy you strum down the line. In fact, this lesson is going to start your relationship with rhythm and timing, which is super important on your guitar journey. The golden rule of strumming is this. It's quite simple. This is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the video or visit 30daystoplay.com. The golden rule of strumming is this. It's quite simple. Down on the downbeats, up on the upbeats. Down on the downs, up on the ups. Simple enough, right? But what is a downbeat and what's an upbeat? Well, let's now back off and look at the whole rhythmic thing. There's really 2 simple ways to count a chunk of music. You can count it as follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now here's where we make the connection to down and upbeats. A downbeat is a numbered beat. An upbeat is an and beat. So if you have a measure that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, all you have to do with your pick is go down, 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 down. And if you have a measure that goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, all you have to do with your pick is go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's as simple as that. So here's a basic exercise to really iron out this golden rule of strumming and get it applied to your picking hand. What I want you to do is grab a G chord. And I'm going to count along with you, and all we're going to do is do downstrokes because it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. Cool, we ironed out the downbeats, but what about these weird upbeats? Well, let's do the same thing, still holding down that G chord, but now we're going to count the measure 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Remember, down on the numbers, up on the ands. Okay, so here we go. I'll count along with you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Or down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the golden rule of strumming. It's as simple as that. Regardless of how fancy you learn how to strum down the line, it will always come down to that. Yes, there are going to be some exceptions. There's always exceptions in music, but generally in terms of strumming, those are specialty strums and other kind of oddball things. So don't worry about those right now. This is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the description or visit 30daystoplay.com.